Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the birthday presents I received from my mom and my sister. It arrived with a big box like this, and I received a limited edition 2021 Holo Taco Remix Collection and Cirque House of Holo Collection. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so freaking excited to use all of these. This is my first ever collection box from Holo Taco and my first ever Cirque colors. Thank you so much, you guys. By the way, it was very well packaged and they bought it at Shoppe from the Lazy Girl Shop's page. Link will be available on the description box below. And the seller also included a gift. It's an Ice Cream Nails nail polish. Thank you so much for this, Kimmy. And by the way, this is my very first nail polish from this brand too. Okay, so let me show you a quick look for the limited edition 2021 Holo Taco Remix Collection. This one rotates so smoothly and it has a magnet to one side so it can eventually stop. This box is just amazing. It has so many layers of prints and it has so many layers of holo. And here's the back of the box. I won't be introducing the shades for today because I'll be doing a swatch video for this. So stay tuned as I post a swatch video. So don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss that video. Next, let me show you guys the House of Holo set by Cirque Colors. This is my very first nail polish and my very first collection from Cirque Colors, and I'm so excited. And look at how holographic the whole box is. And I will also do a video swatch for this. By the way, Kimmy from the Lazy Girl Shop also included freebies. Thank you so much, Kimmy, for all of these adorable goodies. But let's not forget Kimmy's gift. It's a super cute Ice Cream Nails nail polish. The box is just so colorful and so adorable. Now let's open it. And let's not use our nails in opening a box. By the way, what I'm using in opening this box is one of the freebies of Kimmy. Aw, such a cute bottle! Let's swatch it, shall we? This shade is called Unmuted. And before anything else, I'm applying a base coat first. Now let's swatch it. Now for the second coat. This shade is so pretty and the bottle is so cute. I finally have a nail polish from Ice Cream Nails. Thanks again, Kimmy! And those are all of the gifts I received from my mom, sis, and Kimmy from the Lazy Girl Shop. I want to thank you guys for all of these. I never thought that I would have these collection from these brands. I love them all so much. I will soon post swatches for these two collections, so stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!